Hi everyone, nice to see you again. And in this video, we'll continue our lesson about nature, okay? So, I want you to prepare this book and worksheet 2, okay? Worksheet 2. Okay. For the book, we will do page 33, 34 and 35, okay? We'll do page 33, 34 and 35. Let's get started. Okay, for this page 33, we will read a poem, okay? We'll read a poem. Poem is kind of puisi in Bahasa. So let's read it together. Miss Desi will read and you will repeat after me, okay? And this poem is about nature, yeah? Look at the first picture. In the picture, you see a little girl in a forest, yeah? The little girl is in a forest. And there she meets a monkey, yeah? The monkey is smiling. It seems it likes the girl, yeah. So let's read the poem. Walking in the forest. What can you see? I can see a monkey looking at me. Okay, try again. Walking in the forest. What can you see? I can see a monkey looking at me. Yeah, so this little girl is walking in the forest. And what can she see there? She can see many things. Trees, and then the grass, yeah. And here she sees a monkey, yeah. And the monkey is looking at her, yeah. I can see a monkey looking at me, yeah. And then the next poem, it's a boy. The boy is in the desert, yeah. Desert is a place full of sand, yeah. Full of sand and cacti, yeah. Cacti, you know cacti? Cactus, yeah. And there you will find camel, yeah. This desert animal, yeah. This animal can live only in the desert. So let's read the poem. Walking in the desert. What can you see? I can see a camel looking at me. Try again. Walking in the desert. What can you see? I can see a camel looking at me. Yeah, so this boy is walking in the desert and he sees a camel there, yeah? Okay, that's the poem. Now let's go to page 34. On this page, you will have to rearrange the words in the correct order to make sentences about the pictures, yeah? So here you will find a picture and some words. And these words are jumbled, yeah? It's not in order, yeah. So what you need to do is you arrange these words into a good and correct sentence. How to do that? First, find the word with capital letter. So here you have the cave, full stop, inside, we, go, want to. And the word having capital letter is this, we. So the word with the capital letter is going to be the first word. So we write it here, we. Yeah, we, and then, yes, we want to. So we write here, we want to. We want to what? We want to go, yeah? To go. Where? Inside. Inside. Inside what? The cave. Yeah, so we write here the cave. Full stop. So, what can we see here? The first word will be the capital letter, yeah? The word with the capital letter. And the end or the last word will be the one with full stop, yeah? With the word with the full stop. That's going to be the last word. So the sentence will be, we want to go inside the cave. Yeah? Let's read. We want to go inside the cave. Good job. Now let's do the next picture here. Okay, so here's a picture of a girl and a camel. Yeah. Here you have ride, I want to, and a camel. Ride, I want to, a camel. So what's gonna be the number one here? Remember the word with capital letters. So here, I. Yeah? I, you write here. I. Okay, what do? I want to. Yeah, again. I want to. I want to what? I want to a camel? No, I want to do something that is right. I want to ride. Yes, and then a camel. You can see here there is a full stop. So I want to ride a camel. Okay, I want to ride a camel. Yeah? Can you read? Yes, I want to ride a camel. Next. Okay, so here you have a picture of a volcano. Yeah, it's a volcano. And here you have he with the capital letter, wants to, and then a volcano, and this one climb. So which words come first? Yes, the one with capital letter. So here, you write here. He what? He wants to. Yeah. He wants to do what? A volcano or climb? Yes, it's climb. Yeah, he wants to climb a volcano. Don't forget the full stop, yeah? Forget the full stop. Now, a volcano is, there is a full stop. Now let's read. He wants to climb a volcano, yeah? He wants to climb a volcano. Now you read. Good job. Okay. And then let's do page 35. Page 35. Okay. On this page, we will write the sentences in order. So there are two sentences from two pictures. Then we have to write them in order. So which sentence comes first? This sentence or this sentence? This one, look at the boy. I make fire. I make fire. And here, I want to cook food. So, which one comes first? As you can see, he wants to cook food. That's why he make a fire, So, you write here, I want to cook food. I want to cook food, so you make the fire. So I make the fire. I want to cook food, so I make the fire. So the first one is you want to make something. You want to cook food. And how to cook food if there's no fire? Then you have to make the fire. Next, two sentences. She wants to sleep. Because she's sleepy. She wants to sleep. And here, she puts up a tent. She puts up a tent. So which one comes first? Here, she wants to sleep. She wants to sleep, so she puts up a tent. Let's write it down. Yes. So she wants to sleep. So she puts up a tent. So before she puts up a tent, she feels sleepy. That's why she wants to sleep is in the first. Okay. Now let's do the last exercise, that is exercise 2 or worksheet 2. Okay, this worksheet. Worksheet 2. In this worksheet, you need to fill the missing letters. So here there are 12 letters. 12 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until 12. And the words here, or the incomplete words here, are animals. They are animals. Now can you help me to fill the missing letters here? I will tell you the name of the animals so that you can find out what's the letter what's the letter there. So here is snake. Snake. What you need? It's A and E. Snake. Okay. Number 2 is zebra. Okay. Can you find zebra there? Yeah. Number 2 is zebra. Number 3 is lion. Okay, try to find out lion, how to write lion. Number 4 is bear. Okay, it's bear. Number 5, it's lizard. Lizard. Number 6, it's deer. Deer. Number 7, it's rabbit. Rabbit. Number 8, it's fox. Fox. Number 9 is horse. Horse. Number 10 is giraffe. Giraffe. Number 11 is elephant. Elephant. Number 12 is hippopotamus. Okay? Hippopotamus. Okay. If you don't know how to fill in these letters, just look at your book. Yeah? Look at this red book. Yeah? It's over here in this book. And next, I want you to write the sentences here. Okay? Miss Desi will say the sentence and you write the words. Okay? You write the sentences. Number 1 is, it is a zebra. Okay? Number 1, it is a zebra. Okay, I'll give you example. Okay? It is a zebra. Number 2, listen carefully. I will not write it down here, yeah? So you have to write it yourself. Number 2, it is a lion. It is a lion. Number 3, it is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. Number 4, it is a fox. It is a fox. Number 5, it is a lizard. It is a lizard. Okay? Okay. I think that's all for today. Okay, we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.